Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and in this video let's paint a tote bag with Boho Art, which is a vibrant and creative art form. This abstract art form is super easy to paint on a tote bag or a pouch, on a canvas board, on bottle or a vase, or can even be used as a wall art too. In this video, let's see the step-by-step procedure of fabric painting with detailed explanation on paint, brushes, fabric wash, etc. Do watch the video till the end and enjoy the vibrant and creative boho art. Friends, let's paint this tote bag with boho art. For that, let's take a plain tote bag and place a newspaper sheet or cardboard inside it to avoid staining on the other side and also to keep the fabric flat while painting. We have already marked some circle and abstract patterns on the bag. Now let's start painting the bag and filling the shapes with acrylic colors. Acrylic colors are specially available for fabric painting, named as fabric colors, which can be preferred more to use for painting on fabrics. Let's fill some pattern with chrome yellow first as shown. It is advisable to use flat brush to paint as it will cover the area faster and give a smooth finish. Next, let's take orange color. Let's add the cerulean blue next. One by one, let's paint the abstract shapes as shown, keeping the bag colorful and not painting the same color next to each other. Here we have used warm colors and cool color combination, but we can also make only warm or only cool color combination, or make a pastel color combination, or use a monochromatic color combination, that is using tints and shades of a single color. Once all the shapes have been colored, let's keep the tote bag aside to dry completely. Here the colors have dried completely and we have painted the colors in a mixed format and not painting the same color next to each other. Now let's take the black color acrylic paint. We can trace any floral shape on the bag or draw a freehand floral design with pencil as we have done here. Outline the floral pattern completely with black color. For outline, we have to take round brush number 1 to completely outline the floral pattern. Here we have completed the outline of the floral pattern. Let's continue to paint some leaf branches at the corners to fill the tote bag. Once the branches are made, let's fill the floral pattern with thin vertical strokes to fill it. For these strokes, we need to use very thin round brush number 000. One by one, let's fill all the petals of the floral design. Once the flower petals are done, let's add slant lines on the leaves too. Here we have completed one flower and a leaf. Similarly, we have to fill lines on the other flowers and leaves too. Once the whole floral pattern has been filled with lines, let's continue adding some dots around the corners and sides of the tote bag as shown. Friends, we have completed painting our tote bag with Boho Art. Once the color dries completely or after 2 to 3 days of drying, we have to iron the fabric from the opposite side and not on the side with the fabric color work done. If the fabric is cotton, we can heat set the iron to higher heat level and go over the fabric inside out. If the fabric is silk, we can heat set the iron to that particular heat set level according to the fabric. In this case, we can use the iron 2 to 3 times over the fabric. This heat setting procedure with the iron will make the color stick more permanently on the fabric and make the color more durable. Also, we need to hand wash the fabric separately and not keep the fabric immersed in the soapy water for long. Friends, this abstract art is super easy to make and can be incorporated in a number of different ways, like to paint on a flower pot or a vase, on a canvas board, to make bottle art, and also can be used as a wall art too. Friends, I hope you like this video of painting the tote bag in a very colorful pattern which is very super easy to make. Thanks for watching.